Welcome back. If you're just joining us, here are the 8 things that you need to know today. Defense attorneys for Christina Lowe are requesting that she avoid jail time for her manslaughter convictions. News 8's Kyle Jones is live at Oxford County Superior Court this morning with a closer look at new details released in a sentencing memo. Good morning, Kyle.
Aaron, the defense attorney has requested that she is excused from serving jail time so that she can take care of her daughter. Earlier this year, an Oxford County jury found Lowe guilty of manslaughter and leaving the scene of an accident. Her passengers, Rebecca Mason and Logan Dahm, were killed in that West Paris crash in 2012. Lowe reportedly moved to Virginia to recover and to get away from the attention surrounding her case. That's where she met a Marine and had a baby last year. Lowe's attorney says the girl has no other caretaker while the father is deployed, adding that Lowe could serve the community by speaking to young people about the dangers of distracted driving. But the victims' families are against that idea. Rebecca Mason's father, Gerald, will drop off letters here to the judge today arguing for a sentence, and we'll have to wait a month to find out that decision. Christina Lowe is scheduled to be sentenced October 1st. Live in South Paris, Kyle Jones, WMTW News 8.
Kyle, thank you. South Portland police say they arrested this man, Brian Landry of South Portland, yesterday after neighbors saw him stealing from a car near his home on Carter Street. Police say Landry got into several other unlocked vehicles in the area as well. Police say the stolen items found in his home will be returned to the owners. They are also reminding residents to lock their car doors. Overseas today, President Obama continues his push to form an international alliance against the Islamic State. The president of Iraq is appealing for NATO support. The U.S. also looking for commitments to send weapons and ammunition to Syrian rebels in Iraqi forces. Economists are optimistic about today's jobs report from the Labor Department. They are predicting it will show that employers added over 200,000 for the 7th consecutive month, suggesting sustained strength in the labor market. And Maine is among 32 states that have filed briefs asking the High Court to settle the issue of same-sex marriage once and for all. Maine and 14 other states where same-sex marriage is legal filed a brief asking the justices to overturn other states' bans on gay marriage. And then in turn, those states filed a separate brief asking the court to rule one way or the other to clear up several lawsuits. Well, residents of a rural community on Hawaii's Big Island, they are keeping a wary eye on a lava flow from the Kilauea volcano. The lava is less than a mile away and may reach them within a week. The mayor of Hawaii has declared a state of emergency to prepare for the effects of the lava flow. Maine CDC officials say 3 more mosquito pools in York County mosquitoes have tested positive for Triple E, as well as an emu in Sebago. That bird had not been vaccinated. Sebago Elementary School's principal sent a letter to parents now saying the school is taking precautions, roping off tree lines to limit student exposure to mosquitoes. And finally this morning, the Sea Dogs are back in Portland tonight, taking on the Binghamton Mets in Game 3 of the Eastern League Playoff Series. Yesterday, they tied the best-of-5 series with a 7-0 shutout. Looking good. Tonight's game at Hadlock starts at 6 o'clock, and Matt's going to be a good night for it.